Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. I post beauty and fashion related videos if you are interested. Don't forget to follow my Twitter and then follow my Instagram to keep up to date with my life. I am going to be posting more here on YouTube, so there is going to be another video on Friday. I'm hopefully going to be uploading every Tuesday and Friday from now on. Yeah, okay, so today's video is going to be just me showing you how I did this eyeshadow and lipstick look. I used the Colourpop Frozen Elsa collection that I got for Christmas. If you did not watch my Christmas haul, I will put it up in the eye, but I showed that I got this. It's very pretty, it's very Elsa, it's very, you know, so yeah, just keep on watching. So I zoomed you in up close to my face. So I already did my base makeup, and then we're just gonna go in with these. It only comes with eye products and lip products, so that's why I zoomed you in. So let's look at it and see what I want to do. Okay, so it just comes with a little mini eyeshadow palette. And then the shades look like that. I'm probably just gonna do something with like, because it does come with like this little glitter thing for your eyes, and it looks like that in there. But they have like a pressed one in here in the eyeshadow palette. So I don't know exactly what I want to do. So I'm going to first go in with Fire, which is this shade right here. And it doesn't really look like a fire shade. Kind of just looks like a muted, well, like a muted red. I don't know. But I'm gonna put that in my crease here. It's like a muted pink almost. It's very strange. Don't really know how to explain the shade. I don't know, I'm just gonna point at it. I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I'm going to create like a halo effect with it. Oh wow. Now that right there is a freaking like purpley red shade, damn it. That's very pretty. It does come with a lot of fallout, so be wary of that. Now that is on, I'm gonna go back in with Fire and really gently blend out those edges. And it just completely overtook that. Okay. Cool. Yeah, so it just completely just blended in with it, and now it's just, I have a purple eye, I guess. It is not what I wanted at all. And then underneath the eye, I'm gonna take Water, which is the blue shade, and just run it underneath. It's definitely more of a purple shade than a blue shade, which I'm pretty surprised about. Or it could be just because it's against like the purple. But it's almost like the same color as my top, which is weird. edges just will not blend because the freaking purple shade just like got in there and now it's like so harsh. I'm so mad. I wanted it to be pink. Whatever. Okay, so I'm going to lay down, I think it's Gade, I think. No, it's Gale. It's Gale. This shade, I'm gonna take this shade. And I'm gonna put that in the center of the halo eye. And then I'm going to blend it here. And now I'm going to top it with the glitter here. It's like a jelly formula. Look how pretty that is. I don't know if it's because it's like the color of it, but like the pigment that I put down like below it, it's like completely gone. And then in the corner, I'm going to take this shade here and put it in the inner corner of my eye. Wow, it like picks up like pink. See that? Oh. And then I'm gonna put on some mascara and then we will come back for the lips. So give me a second. It comes with a, I think a creme, whatever you want to say, lipstick, and the packaging is so cute. Colourpop's packaging is like beautiful, amazing. So the shade is called Little Snow, and then it also comes with, I think this is a lip gloss. I think it's a lip gloss, but it's yeah, Mythic Journey. It's like a sparkly lip gloss. So I'm gonna put the lipstick on first, and then I'm gonna put the lip gloss on top. Lip gloss only gave it like a glossy look, and then when you like rub your lips together, I can feel the glitters, but you can't really see the glitters on top. So I don't know how much wear I'll get out of the lip gloss, but the lipstick is really pretty. I probably wouldn't pair it with a really heavy eye like this. It's just a lot of purple. It's a lot of purple, but for an Elsa collection, I was kind of hoping it'd be more like blues, because she wears like blue and like icy, like that kind of feel. Like this feels like more Anna. Like it does look like Elsa, but it also like doesn't. I don't know. I like it. I'm definitely not complaining. I really like it. I'll definitely use it. I like it. Yeah. The shades are really pretty, but my only critique with Colourpop is that they don't really know what like a color story is. Like I have the first Disney collection and the eyeshadow palette, like it all doesn't really match, which is like really annoying. So I have to like pick from other palettes to like make it a look, I guess. I don't know. So that was today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a great few days, or today, or whatever. I will be back again Friday. Don't forget to like the video if you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed it. And I hope you have a great day. Bye!